Today I'll be crossbreeding peppers. Supplies you need: got tweezers, 10 baggies, black bowl, and Q-tips. Let's get started. If you lost, I'm basically taking the pollen from the eggplant. These supposed to be white eggplants, but I'm not sure. My other plant didn't grow white. They still kind of green. So I'm pretty much going where the flower is at. Pretty much tapping in on here to knock the pollen out. I'm not sure if you can see the pollen, so I use the black bowl. Pretty much knocking the pollen out, sitting it on there. Now I'm gonna make sure I can get as much pollination as I can on this Q-tip. Now that I've collected pollen from the white eggplant, what I'll be doing now, I'm basically stripping the bulb from the pepper plant. So like I was saying, it's just a test run. No telling what's gonna happen. I'm only doing this just to test it out because I missed the window in this practice. But even for as peppers too, you would do the same thing with the flower. Shake it, put the pollen on there. But I'm looking for a bulb, especially the stage I'm looking for. Before I do it, I would like a bulb like this. You see where it's flowering, but it's not completely flowered. Right here, this one in the middle. So you'll be looking for something like that. You're gonna need the tweezers. So when doing it, you wanna be very gentle with it, so you don't damage the fruit. But basically, really lightly. First, you're gonna use your tweezers to take off the flower parts. Very lightly, clip them off, which is gonna take you to the stigma. Then once you take the stigma off, lightly take the stigma off, but still as well keep the stem. Alright, you see where I took the flower off? Still taking a little bit off, but right here now, under the flower is the stigma. The stigma, that's basically what self-pollination peppers will produce peppers. So then you're going to take that off, but the stem in the middle, right there, you keep that on there. And I'll show you what to do when you get to that point. Now that it's just the stem, I'm going to take the Q-tip. I put the pollen on earlier. And just rub it on there. And that's going to fertilize the plant. Hopefully it takes. We'll see where it goes. We'll see what happens next. And also, to be safe, and I guess to give it like a little another kick, I'm going to see how much pollen I can get off from the Q-tip and just put it in that 10 baggie. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but a little bit of pollen is dropping off in the baggie. Now what I'll be doing is putting the 10 baggie around the flower. I'm gonna label it later so I know which one it was that I did. Yep. So this is my little experiment. Keep y'all posted on how it go, whether it's success or fail. And every other day or so, just gonna walk past with a light little shake. Hopefully that pollen fall down into there. So yeah, hopefully it's a success. And if it is a success, I'll show y'all. Just keep y'all through, I guess, the life of it. See what happens, how I do, and then I'm saying don't quote me, but if it's a success. But I'm definitely not gonna get anything from this harvest if it takes. So you would have to wait for the next generation of seeds. But I might do taste tests, stuff like that. I'll keep y'all posted.